soon as I leave
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah. Hey, we're here at Tamco Take Over with Tammy getting her nails pinstripe. Or
Robert Messenger trying to use some brush effects when it's like 90 plus degrees and it's not going so well in the heat. But he's making it work. So as soon as we're done here, we're going to go walk around with Dawn and go see all the different classes, go talk to some people and see how it's going. Let me turn it like that.
you do this often, Robert?
What do you want me to do? Like that?
I've done it a couple of times, but it's been a while.
I'm actually doing good because it's a small area. You want to make this more complicated for yourself?
Now I want to hide some of the mistakes of the second color.
Yeah. And that's it. I've had a lot of fun with it. I've never owned any, but I've helped build with my brother.
So Stuart, while we're doing this and you're sitting here, you know this one around, right? What are you thinking of the event?
Loving it.
Liking it?
Oh, yeah.
You guys doing good with it? Everybody's liking it too? I'm like really impressed with people's lettering.
Yeah.
Like the lettering has been really good. Who did this one? Oh, that's yours.
We went in.
You're fast learners.
That 9-year-old kid. I got him to already pulling a good.
I'll go see Danny pulling lines. I'll be back.
For a minute, and then
Huh?
I'll go see Danny pulling lines, and I'll be back.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Yep. Check this out.
Danny's embellishing my panel for me.
Is he?
Yeah.
You didn't want to do it?
No, I wanted him on there.
Yeah, Danny's just having fun.
Exactly.
He like painting anything. He picked up my panel. Want me to throw some stuff on it? Yeah.
How was your trip down here, Stuart?
Having a collaboration with Danny is awesome.
Well,
Stay
which
on.
part did you do?
The red and green.
Oh.
The part that's wiggly.
you did a good job.
Thanks, sir.
That's Mark. This is his bomb.
Yeah, it was fun. Learned a lot out here in 2 days.
You're coming back next year?
Absolutely.
We're not going to ask you.
All right.
Tamco and then SEMA. We want to SEMA first.
Are you going to SEMA, Bill? Yeah.
I don't like to fly.
Yeah.
It's a long drive. It's not drive.
Well, I'm definitely flying.
It's a lot of work. I don't know.
Flight home is
I've been,
Yeah.
I've been told I can get a pass if I want to come. But
Yeah.
I'm not.
We'll see how it goes this year. I don't know.
Now, it didn't happen last year, did it?
No.
no.
So this year, it's opened up. It's like I think it
Well, we'll see.
Yeah, what year before last?
Well, I hear I better be ready to have a lot of leg cramps.
I looked for 3 days and didn't see it all.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, you can never.
they said. You won't see it all, and your legs will hurt horribly at night
Yeah.
because you're trying to see it all.
I never get away from the paint booths, and the airbrush booths, to see anything else.
Right? Yeah, we're going just to participate, look around. Damn, that looks pretty on there.
It does work.
It makes it pop, don't it?
It does work.
Where are you going to sign it at?
Somewhere.
Wherever you like, sir. What turned out to be a pretty decent day anyway. But
Yeah.
wasn't too bad having a win.
Did you ever do a panel, Bill, or you ever got that far?
I want to work more on mine tomorrow, but he just put some pinch strapping on mine.
Oh, okay.
I'll work on it tomorrow. I was over there and it got real hot in the sun over there. Just
This is Don at Airbrush the Magazine at Tamco Take Over 2 again, live in the pinstriping area.
Danny, you still do a lot of signs?
I do mostly show signs and stuff.
Did you finish that one for your car?
I got it laid out. Took me all day to lay it out.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm sure your show signs are like backed up.
I'll show you some of his other.
That's a collaboration of all the teachers, huh? And that's y'all gonna take and wrap around?
That one usually give, I'm going to have a drawing students, our students.
I got some plexiglass. I'm gonna like double side tape it. I'm gonna take my little LED strip and run it around it. That way when I plug in, it lights the back up.
See, liable to be a third color when it goes over.
Tammy.
Look at him. Look at him pretty.
Tammy, how long is that gonna last? This? Oh, I have no idea. I've never done it. I'm not assuming very
We
long.
were taking over and put the 95 on a clear one.
Just have her dipper handed.
That's right, different
That
hand.
is to keep the focus from being that cool. Yeah, I have that. There you go.
That's stripe it, adhesion promoter, clear.
Go for the green. Good choice. Green, too.
Check out the helmet painting class while we're waiting for Tammy to get her nails done. This is JR and his helmet painting class.
How you doing, buddy?
Hey, Chris.
What it is, let it go right where it wants to go. So let's relax. See where this overlaps? That's how much of a wrinkle there's had because we didn't put it in the top of it. And then what you're going to do, every time you have a close, either you squeeze it or you want to squeeze it off the side. You do it onto it. Go that way, this way, get that. Take the transfer tape off. I don't even use transfer tape whenever I do it. I just pick the piece off of there. I'll start it here and let this kind of do its thing. And just persuade it. You know, persuade it the leg right where it wants to go.
You go see John Booth. Adam. I'll be back with you in about 10 minutes. We'll wait for Tammy to get her nails done, then do a walk around with her. This is Don from Airbrush the Magazine at Tamco Take Over 2. I'll be back with you in a few.